Long ago, once upon a time, then very a sultan named Garad Farah Garad
Garat, Farah, Garat, Garat, Farah, Garat.
It's common for Somalis to have what we call my name, which are nicknames. Garad Farah Garad, his nickname was Wilwal. Wilwal was a great ruler. Wilwal believed he alone possessed rule. Wilwal enjoyed testing the wisdom of those he ruled through riddles. Boga! 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 My house has no door. Who would like to open for me that riddle? My house has no door. Yes. Egg. You said it right. It's an egg. Clap for him. Wilwal decided to call all the people around his kingdom. Screw mother, come together, come together.
Garat, Farah, Garat.
Come together.
Garat, Farah, Garat.
Screw mother, come together, come together.
Garat, Farah, Garat.
All the people gathered, and we won. Both the religion. Boca, 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 nyama, nyama, nyama. Bring me a part of a sheep that symbolizes unity or disunity. Nyama, nyama, nyama. Hili, nileteni sehemu ya kondoo inayounganisha ama kutenganisha jamii. Nyama, nyama, nyama. Hili. All the people were mesmerized. They started asking each other, why does Wale? 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 As we have seen, some started rubbing their chins, others their heads, others silently asked each other, surely, which part of a sheep symbolizes unity? Unity. Why that's Wale? Why that's Wale? Why that's Wale? Why that's Wale? And they went back to their houses, their finest ship. Hey, 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 mama, hey, 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 mama, hey, hey, mama, hey, hey, mama. The next morning came. In this province, there lived a very poor man. He had fewer livestock than the rest. He believed his happiness lay in the number of children he had and his wealth. He decided to prepare his largest ship. As he was slaughtering, he said, such a task. Do I have to give my largest ship to the Sultan, who already has plenty to eat? Out comes his daughter, and she asked Bali, Abediri, look at me. Are we having any parties? What is the reason for slaughtering our largest ship? Then the father answered, my daughter, will one ask each of us to bring a part of a ship that symbolizes unity or disunity. And I don't know which path to take. I think this will have to do. He went down and cut a path and showed to his daughter. She squinted and she said, no, this is not the path. He then went down and cut another path. He showed her and she still said, no, this is not the path. Lastly, he cut a path and he showed her. Still she said, this is not the path. Then the daughter went down and cut a path and gave it to her father. And she told my father, take this to the Sultan and trust me in this. The next morning came and all gathered in front of the Sultan. Why? Head, shoulders, legs, all the very finest parts of the ship. And it was they presented their parts and it was this poor man's son and he was writing with his feet on the dust, thinking how he would present his part to the Sultan. He went and presented the part to the Sultan. And he closed his eyes and he waited for a loud shout. They did not shout. It was all silent. Then the poor man he was waiting for crowd to shout and they did not shout. The poor man wondered what would happen. He opened his eyes and he saw the Sultan smiling at him. Yes, here is the answer. The gallet. This man brought the gallet. The people wondered, the part that, how can we bring a part that cannot be eaten, a part that connects the throat, the stomach, the tongue? Then the poor man wondered, how could he be the wise man? Then the Sultan saw this man's confusion, and he knew he's not the one who brought the part. Then the Sultan asked, you man, are you not the one who brought me this part? The man answered, I am the one who brought this part, but it was not my idea. It was my daughter's idea. The Sultan sent a word and the daughter was brought. And she was asked. She answered, I brought the gallet because the gallet, the liver, shared with an empty stomach. When it's not shared, it's empty. A symbol of no generosity or greed. In turn, no generosity or greed unites people of bad times.